Today we're out here, Lake Worth, taking out the old kayak. If you want to go out in the water, you don't need to get an expensive boat and you're tired of bank fishing, go to Academy, pick you up a quick little kayak for about $150 and you can have a good time. Make sure you wear your life jacket, safety first always, and here we go. Alright, let's unload it. The kayak is really not that heavy. One person can just get it all. Now we got our kayak near the water. We just need to hop on in and scoot on out. See what we come up with. Alright, now we're sitting in our kayak. This is kind of go towards one of these pillars, see if we can get any crappie or bass here today. It's a little windy, about 11 miles per hour wind. Water clarity is probably about a foot, but that's okay. We're out in the water. You don't need an expensive boat or anything. Just go to Academy, go to OfferUp, wherever you need to go. Get you a nice little kayak. Spend about $150, and you can go further than you can just bank fishing. Start off using a nice little spinning rod here. They're the easiest to cast on a kayak. You don't need any high-end gear, just any kind of setup will work. I really like this setup that I got from Shimano. 2500. I got about 20-pound braid. No leader. Some people talk about leader, but really I come to realize fish don't care. Unless you're trying to sink it really low, then it kind of matters, but I've saltwater fish, freshwater fish, the fish really don't care. I don't care what anybody says. So fished around a little bit, I haven't got any bites. Gonna make our way back over here to another pillar. I tied on that rooster tail. So let's see what we can come up with. If you guys have never tried the rooster tail, I suggest trying it out. It catches all the species. It does not discriminate. Smallmouth, walleye, perch, crappie, bass, everything. So I'm gonna drop my line right here. Try to get situated, straighten up a little bit, see if anything hits it. Didn't bring my anchor, so it makes it a little bit difficult. I just had a nice bite, but it came off. That's okay, we'll just keep on going. I've seen a couple of blow-ups here. Let's see if we can come up with anything here. Move, changed up baits to this right here, underspin. Hopefully you guys can see that has a little chartreuse blue in there. See if we can land something. A bunch of little minnows, so hopefully this one's a little bit bigger and stand out. Get that bass to bite. Fix this here real quick. Throw that back out there. Oh, got stuck on the weeds. It's alright, we'll pull it out. water, took the kayak out, threw around a couple of lures. I'm ending it with the underspin. Didn't really catch any fish. However, this is a go-to bait. Just today was just kind of hot. It came out at the wrong time. I'm using this on a spinning setup 2500 with some braid. You can use monofilament, braid deleter, whatever you want to do. If you want to sink it, you can use fluorocarbon. I come to find out no matter what kind of fish, saltwater, freshwater, it doesn't really matter on braid. Just go out there, pick up a reel, any kind, it doesn't matter the price point you're looking for. Pick up a bait. This one's good, a stick bait is good. Pretty much anything to get you out there and have fun fishing. So if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. I'll post more videos, try to do it weekly. Any video suggestions, comment below. All right, thanks for watching.